Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your name in Gmail. So it's pretty simple. Now for that you need to go into Gmail and log in into your account first. Now once you're inside your Gmail, you need to click on your profile picture at the top right of your screen. And if you hover your mouse on top of your profile picture, you can see your current name. So my current name is Want to Step. So if I want to change it, I need to click on the profile icon and from over here click on manage your Google account. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you over here. Now from inside here, you want to choose personal info at the top left of your screen, and on the personal info section, scroll a bit down and you will see your name. Click on your name. Once you click on your name, you can see this little edit button right beside your name. Click on it. Once you click on it, it'll take you to the name editing page. Now over here you can enter your new name. So I can enter Witchy 2Step. So this is going to be my new name. And I can click on save and I need to wait for some time and my name will be changed. And if I want to, I can even add a nickname by clicking on this little button and adding a nickname. So my nickname is going to be Want to Step 16 and I click on save and my nickname will be saved as well. That is how you guys can change your name on Gmail. It's that simple. Now if I hover my mouse on top of it, my name will be changed. Now it's going to take 1 to 2 minutes for this to happen, so don't worry about it if it don't shows here instantly. So mine has started to show instantly, as you guys can understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel Want to Step for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time.